press the number 2 and number 8, the rotary walk to different direction. This is the circle, so the circle. The following we are going to show you how to use the punching head. Please, before using the punching head, and check here. Check here. There's no other material inside.
这个几秒延时几秒就是延时它，对，就延时
Press
它。
the press the number 8, the punching pin go down, and press it
你不要跟
again
客户讲
the
那
second
个欺负人
time.
家停止，
I 这个里边。
对你尽量不要让客户动那些，如果动那些之后，我们都。
The following steps we are going to show how to adjust the punching head.
比如说咱冲一个圆嘛，
For example, you want to punch a round circle into at the middle of the material.
这冲孔嘛，对吧？冲孔的话可以，
Layer perimeter.
这是冲孔吗？画笔吧。
碰着这个地方。
这里这是中
The
心冲
walk
孔，
mode. Select the hole.
中心冲孔就是怎么着？你比如说这个圆吧，它只会在这圆的中心，啪点一下。
For
如果说把
example,
它去除掉，看到这个数字就出来了，就是这就是，咱比如说冲了个圆，它就会围着这个圆的周围叭这样冲了。这个呢，这个数值是就是说这个圆点到这个圆点之间的这个距离是几毫米几毫米。
this internal interval is
对对对对。
is the punching hole
你
distance.
那个需要在这个图上把它给设置好位置是吧？
对你必须修改图层。
You will change the layer parameters.
这个冲孔的这个孔的大小也是设计出来的是吧？
对。
The punching hole size
这
is
个看你
also
这个
designed.
刚才没有设置它是在圆心，
And
而是
also
设置
you
它们有那
sighted.
个圆心的距离。那这个那边没下载吧？
下来了。
这个点点是什么呀？
这个点儿你要冲的点。
The red cross is the cutting point.
这个东西是可以换的，这个东西是可以换的。
它现在是要把这样子。
对。
那行，我们知道了。
那听了吧？没有了。
Before using the punching pin, please note that the machine needs to connect to the air compressor.
现在开始展示冲孔。
Now we are showing you how to using the punching pin.
This place could adjust the pulsing strength. This place.
Here,
如果你想要冲得更深的话，就把这个往下紧一紧。
here adjust the punching strength. If you want to punch in a high dips, so in a
More deep.
if you want to punch the material deeper,
就是把这个往下。
adjust here the screw.
好了。
This is a test. Press the button 1
进入这个
test,
页面，
and you will
翻到这 page，
you will see these the parameters.
然后 press 6，
Press the 6.
点一下冲一下，然后点一下起来。
Press the 6. Press press 6 up and press 6 down.
然后再挪个位置，我再给你冲个试试。如果你看它冲的有点浅，我们再把因为有点。
Please check. The punching is a little light.
所以
We are going to adjust a little deeper.
OK， 然后
Let's try again.
这种页面的时候，
So
按1。
press the number 1 and come out this parameter and press the 6. Press 6 up and down. Here adjust the punching depth.
你看，你就比较这两个孔吧，你看这个深，这个深。
One is light, one is deep.
就是
If you want to adjust the depth, please use here. The following steps are going to show you how to use the machine punching holes automatically, not use your hand to press the button.
好，我现在自己需要测试一下，我先练习一下，你再。
Now we are going to use the software to make a drawing. First, this is a square.
这地方可以调节大小。
Here, could adjust the size. We choose X and Y.
不是给这里，给后边的，后边的是。
哎呀，
这一个后边的是你。
你就说扫。
XY is a position, the position, and here, change the size. We choose the size 200 and 400. This is the square size.
然后
Select it. Press this button in the middle.
然后就画个圆。
And then
Shift.
drawing a circle. Press
If I
the
draw a
shift.
more circle,
You may
no.
have drawing more circles. Please remember, only the square and one circle into the drawing. No other circle or square in it.
好了。
In the middle. Press here is middle.
然后我现在要选不同的涂层颜色。
Here.
Layer.
Here is middle. And because you have 2 layers, so we choose one layer as blue, one is black. So you could see here, one is blue and one is
Blue 和 cut。
black. And because the blue is cut,
不同颜色是为了区别不同的功能。
you may choose here work mode. The black circle is whole. The color is right, is correct.
然后如果
If
想要打一个孔，就是
If
中
you
间
want to punch one circle, one hole into the square, you may choose this button. If you do not cut one hole and cut several holes,
这个距离表示的是每个冲孔之间的直径距离。
you need to change this parameter. This parameter means every hole's distance, the distance between every holes.
Middle of the hole.
The distance
Each hole's middle.
and then download. And you will hear a voice from the machine. Press the file. You will see the picture you have made. Because we selected several holes. Every holes have a distance. Please check the picture.
然后我们现在开始找个位置。
Now we find a position to cut it. Before the start, please remember, press the origin. you see every hose has a distance between every hose.
就在这儿就行了。
右下角就跑这里看看。
Please remember, when you find the position, choose the right end direction.